I can call my mom up right now. You want to call my mom?
You're who?
My mom.
I can call my mom right now.
Can't stand entitled college kids. I think they know the law.
Get a picture of me, please. That looks dope. No, seriously. That looks dope. You can show it to your mom?
Oh, what do we have here? Entitled 19-year-olds think they're too privileged to be arrested.
Started as a typical beach day, quickly turned into a reality check for a group of entitled 19-year-olds who thought the rules didn't apply to them. Caught red-handed drinking underage, they didn't just deny, it got worse. Instead of cooperating, they tried giving officers a lesson on how to do their jobs, all while name-dropping their parents like that was a get-out-of-jail-free card. But when the law showed up, things didn't go their way. Here's what happened when police put the attitude in check.
I'll have it on me.
I'm asking you if you're 21. Take it out for me.
Fake ID.
Who's under 21?
I'm not.
I know somebody is.
No.
So here's the deal. You lie to me, you're going to jail. Simple as that. You're not the first people under 21 to drink alcohol. It's not that big of a deal. So I'm going to ask again, who's under 21?
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
547.
547.
So y'all just gonna go to jail.
60.
The citation's open alcohol containers. Okay. So what's the deal?
It's a $118 fine.
$118 fine.
Yeah, it could be $118 per closed can of alcohol. So I reckon you probably have a lot of closed alcohol. So imagine 118 times all that. Or I could take you to jail.
I would have been like, just take me to jail because I'm not finna pay that shit. Ugh.
That's the thing. So here's the thing. If you're going to be honest with me and tell me that who you are, your real age and all that, I won't take you to jail. It's non-criminal. It's a civil citation. It's a civil ticket. It's like a parking ticket, okay? But if you lie to me about your information, now it's providing false name to law enforcement.
I can tell the dude in the beige hat is going to be the problem. Look how he's looking. Ah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. No, my buddy in my fraternity is a police officer in Tennessee.
Cool.
Yeah.
Who cares?
But
Are you like the lawyer of the group, right? Or
no.
Okay, 'cause,
I'm just questioning because my best friend is exactly where you are.
Badge talks about.
That's why I was just like,
Does.
I mean, we're just trying to.
what'd you say?
Nothing, sir.
What'd you say about the badge? Makes you what?
Said talks a lot.
Talks a lot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understand you're committing a crime.
Yes, sir. I mean, you can say I am. I'm not.
So what can
This
we
guy.
do to get you out of here?
Excuse me?
Like respectfully, like
What can you do to get me out of here?
Yeah,
like
I can take
3, 2, 1. Well, that's what you don't want to say to the cops, because now you're finna make his spidey senses go through the roof. Oh my God, I'm tired of this popping up.
Take him to jail, I can take her to jail, and then we'll leave.
But for what?
Sit down. I'm not talking to you. You didn't have alcohol. I addressed him, and I'm addressing her. So, go away. You can't also vape on the beach. So I'll take that. Thank you. Go away.
See what happens when you trying to be a smart ass?
I can call my mom up right now. You want to call my mom? Call my mom.
Ain't got my mama.
I get my mom on the phone right now.
You're who?
My mom.
Who's your mom?
My mom? You want to find? You gonna call my mom? You can find out my mom. This little flag. Sure did.
Somebody is still on the nipple.
We're not trying to do all this. We're just trying to figure out what you guys want.
What we want? You're making it like we're bothering you. You're acting like
From what you
He's acting like he's in control of some shit that he is not. Just shut up, bro. You're just making it worse for your friend.
Why was it we're good? You're saying what can I do to get me out? What can we do to get me out of here?
Yeah,
we're not doing that.
We're not doing that. Like we're just trying
We're not playing these games. Listen to your girl. Shut up.
Ah!
This is Florida. Where are you guys from? South Carolina. Yeah, this ain't South Carolina. This is Florida.
Uh-oh.
You know, like I said, sir, the badge speaks a lot.
Yeah. This is what it says. Sit down. Can't stand entitled college kids that think they know the law. They're telling me, get out of here. What can we do to get you out of here?
Take a picture of me, please. That looks dope. No, seriously. That looks dope. Can you show it to your mom? Yeah.
I got arrested. It was so cool. He looks like one of those types.
I'm sure she'd be proud.
She'd be very proud. Sure. You can take a.
Stop.
Okay, I have your ID.
Yes, sir.
Have her come over here.
Viv.
So she was of age.
Okay. What is your first name?
Vivian. You know how to shop, please.
Can I see what you're drinking?
I just don't have it. I do have my ID on me. I know it's not okay here, though.
Okay. You can't be doing alcohol.
$5.
Damn, you can't drink alcohol on a beach, Florida. You can't drink alcohol on the beach. We got anybody in the chat that's from Florida? Is this a real thing? That's gotta suck, right? Or is she under age? She might have gave him a fake license. I don't know. But I would be kind of pissed off if you just sitting there pouring my drink out. Because what the hell? What's the point of going to the beach if you can't sit out there and have a few drinks, you know?
Well, he's going to jail, so does he have a phone? Does he have a wallet? I made it very clear
You heard his ass. He going to jail.
when I walked up what the consequences were.
Yeah.
We want to play game. Listen. It's actually funny because scientifically, females mature more than males, and it's actually true in this scenario. I got two girls, stopped for the same thing, and they're being respectful, nice, not giving me issues. I got guys argue with me. What can we do to get you out of here? I'm not playing that game. Okay.
I mean, naturally, though, guys are dumbasses. So the younger, the dumber.
Definitely do.
You can't be a sender, bro. You can't.
You have handcuffs on?
Yeah.
For real? Are they comfortable?
The people who flip out about them.
They didn't tighten it up too much.
I mean, I'm gonna time.
You should have shut your mouth. That's what happened.
I told you.
I thought that was pretty.
Mama would beat your ass.
You want to flip?
She would beat your butt.
You did?
Shaking my head. They just gonna keep partying while your ass going to jail.
Here, Bella, can you move out? Get the...
But guys, it's not that funny. Can I go with him? That's what then.
You want to go with him to jail? She different. I ain't never seen nobody want to go to jail with their spouse. Out of all the kids, she's probably the most responsible one. You always got the friend group where it's one or two responsible people. But the fact that she said, can she go with him? That's a good friend, girlfriend, whatever she is to him. They look like siblings though, so I might be wrong.
Go there, call somebody. What do we have to do?
Probably pay a fine, get him out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it
We've
is.
seen
Get a
the
bounce
cop.
man. So he should be out by today.
By today. So do we have to go somewhere and find him?
Just to let you know, so right now he's detained. We're gonna identify him first because he doesn't have ID.
Right.
And then he'll probably go a separate way. He might get a court date. He might go to jail.
So
He
he's
might
not
not.
actually arrested. He's just
He's right
detained.
now. He's detained right now.
Okay.
Right.
Just shut up and you'll be
Is
fine.
there
All
anything we
right.
need
Just
to
to
do?
let you know, his mouth got him into handcuffs.
Oh shit, he going to jail. Don't tell him he gonna be fine.
Thank you so much.
That's what I told him.
Yeah.
Viv,
We told him that.
You know, do you really think that we want to waste our time about alcohol out here?
like
In the sun, and my freaking Batman suit.
It's probably a
you
little
know?
warmer in there.
Yeah,
No, I
it's a
get
little
it.
warm.
So, remember that conversation I had about being honest? Nothing's coming up for this name and date of birth. So, what does that mean? Are you lying about
Fake
something?
ID. You know that's a criminal offense if you give police a fake name and birthday, right? That's a felony. Well, it might be a misdemeanor in most cities, but still, you don't want to do that. All you gotta do is make your time in jail longer than what it has to be. And who want to do that?
Okay.
I just want to
So, why did you lie after I gave you multiple?
it's just stressful.
I gave you an option to put your head in bed.
Oh, she lied too.
And date of birth.
Know my name though.
Oh, so she was underage.
Do extra work.
You see these videos online. Just don't talk to me. Do what they say. You're fine.
How old are you?
19.
Okay.
Babe, you're not-
I literally said to you, oh, she's going to jail. She's getting criminally charged. What did I say? What did I say? I said, are you the first person under 21 to drink alcohol? I think I've been nothing but fair, and I gave multiple opportunities.
He probably would have let you go too. That's the crazy part about this.
I understand.
I literally asked you 3 times, are you over 21? Are you over 21? Every time, yes, yes, yes. What's your name and day of birth? You gave me the same name and day of birth twice. Okay? I literally gave you every opportunity to be honest with me, and you continue to lie.
I've never been in a situation.
Okay, so you've never been in a situation. The answer is not to lie to the police. After I literally said to you, if you be honest with me, nothing bad is going to happen. Did I not say that? Did I say you're not the first person under 21 to drink alcohol? Did I not say that else?
See, that's the thing. When you doing shit you ain't got no business doing, you gonna sit there and you gonna lie and do dumb shit, and you gonna make it worse instead of just being out front and honest. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never been much of an alcoholic, so me waiting till I was 21 to have to drink, I never really care, honestly. Some people, they love alcohol. They start drinking as early as 15. Me, I never had those issues.
Okay.
I understand.
Was that? Listen.
I know. It's just I've
It
never
just,
been like this
point,
isn't me. This isn't who I am.
So why lie?
I
Were
don't
you
wanna,
taught to lie
I
to
don't
the
wanna break
police?
the rules.
Okay, but you are,
I know. I
and that's
understand.
okay. Like I said before, you're not
Yeah.
the first 19-year-old to drink alcohol. I drank alcohol at 19 too.
Yeah.
But I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt,
I know.
and you got to be honest.
I know.
I'm sitting here running that information through a database, and nothing's coming up.
I know. And that's my bad. That's me.
You big dummy. See, back in the day, 2016 and back, you could get away with a fake ID. Girls did it all the time. But now, technology is so meticulous and complicated now. They see that shit. They see right through that shit. So that fake ID, that's out the window, babe. A lot of stuff that you used to do back up, like when I was in high school and stuff and further back, you can't get away with that now. Technology is too advanced.
547.
547.
Then I have a female 1015.
1015 means arrested. If you guys don't know what 1015
Okay.
is.
Because this isn't what I do. That's the thing. I just don't do this ever.
We're turning simple civil stuff into criminal.
I know.
That's criminal now.
I know. And I'm.
Okay, she provided a fake date of birth to me twice. We're done.
I don't do this though. That's why it's so frustrating.
I don't do this either. You think I
Just gotta be honest. Honesty.
I'm sorry.
It's so traumatizing.
I know.
I know. These poor kids, like, it just kills me.
Okay.
These poor kids.
I'm gonna need you to sit back on this seat right here. I need you to look that way.
These poor kids had a choice in what they was doing, and they chose to drink. So I don't feel bad for them at all.
Please and thank you. I got big ones. I want to get bit again. Okay.
Oh, I'm not crazy. You serious?
You're gonna catch an elbow. Understand?
I deserve it. If I did, she
I
appreciate
can't
it.
help what you do. That's crazy. I think I've been nothing but fair and giving you multiple opportunities to be honest.
I agree.
I can't help what you do after that.
I agree.
You got bits?
Can this does it have to stay on?
Yeah, you're under arrest.
I don't know about that.
Do you have anything here? I don't want to send you to jail in a bikini. So,
Yeah, because they going to tear your ass up in the county. You can't do that.
get a bag for her? I don't want to send her to jail in a bikini like this.
Am I able to go?
Go where? No.
What are y'all doing? Is there when I know at least an address where I can like at least follow or
No. You cannot get involved in what we're doing.
I just need something.
What
Is there an address?
What? Pinellas County Jail. You can Google it. What I care about, she's in a bikini. Okay? So, can I get property for her?
Yes.
Shirt, shorts, maybe some sandals. She's safe. She's with the police. Nothing bad's gonna happen. Let me ask you a question.
I know.
How many times did I say you're not the first one under 21? I already know who's lying. You know, here's the thing. I can't help getting lied to.
It's just like, it's so unfair. Like, there's
Not
so many
unfair.
people doing the same thing.
I think he lucky would have let them go with just a little citation if they just would have came forward. But the fact that she sat there and lied with a straight face twice, giving a name and date of birth that's not registered in the database is crazy to me. And then her friend saying that this is unfair. How is it unfair? You guys are drinking in public. If you're gonna do anything illegal, at least do it at the crib and then just go out and have fun and enjoy yourself. But y'all are drinking in the public. Like, the police can't just pull up on y'all and just, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's crazy to me. You got to make better decisions. At least when we was drinking underage, we was doing it in somebody's house at a party or something. We wasn't just outside all willy-nilly with it.
I mean, it just sucks.
You need a 217 go for?
Is this her stuff?
I'm not figuring it out, sir.
We can't sit here all day. We have work to do. Okay, all right. You can't be hugging on her. Let's go.
I think it has a.
This is her stuff.
That's got to be your boyfriend. You can't. It's gonna be all right. You can get this shit removed, love.
This is criminal I literally said what was going to happen. If you give me fake information, I'd be providing false information to law enforcement.
I bet she won't do it again.
If you hold down the screen, you can see my other one. I think the rating
Is this her stuff? Listen,
Sir,
in 5 seconds,
I'm trying, sir. I'm really am.
we'll put that on. When we get out of it, let's get out of the limelight. We're in the midst of everybody. Okay.
This is just a, sir.
Give me this. This is her stuff. Let go. Let go. Give me this.
I'm gonna figure out.
Step away. Go away. Go away. I don't know what is up with you guys' generation. Keep the mouth closed and listen to what we have to say. That's it.
I'm not disagreeing with you, right?
Seriously, right?
I'm not
Okay.
right.
There's no need for the attitude, the smart comments. Whatever's gonna happen is gonna happen. Be honest, shut your mouth, and listen to us. That's it. 9 times out of 10, if you do those things, this would not be happening.
At
I
all.
gave her 15 chances, to be honest. Good? Back up. Goodbye.
They didn't just get caught underage drinking. They made it worse by lying to officers. In the end, they were charged with providing a false name to law enforcement for possession of an alcoholic beverage. Do you think their parents would be proud of how they handled themselves with police?
Hell no. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well. What did you guys think about the video? I think it was so unnecessary for them to sit there and lie. And then they try to cover for each other. I know that you guys are trying to look out for each other, but at the same time, you should have been looking out for them and saying, hey, guys, you don't need to be drinking, or at least drinking in a room, and don't be out here with it. You know what I'm saying? But to sit there and try to give cops fake IDs when these cops can literally run your license plate and see if you got insurance or not is crazy. Technology is astounding these days, and there's really no need to even be doing any type of crimes with camera and just technology. Is like, there's no sense in doing it. Like, you're done, you're cooked. And the fact that you sat there and lied with a straight face and then you want to start crying afterwards, nobody feels sorry for that. Like, that maybe works with your parents and stuff, but in the real world, you know what I'm saying, you sit there and you lie to cops. Either way, you go into jail if you get caught. You know what I'm saying? Some cops, you know, they might let you off, but either way, it was just a stupid thing to do. Like, you should have just been at the beach just chilling. Like, it was no reason to have drinks. For what? Who wants to be hot in the sun anyway? Y'all like drinking in the sun? I get hot when I drink, so I don't be want to have no drinks in my system when I'm like out in that environment. I'll have a couple beers or something, but that's just about it, bro. But thank you guys for tuning in, and that's it, baby. We out.